Hey guys, so in this tutorial we're gonna make a website with PHP. The first thing you need to do is go to, I've showed you how to install XAMPP. I'll add the link to that video in the description. So what you want to do is go to C Drive, XAMPP, HTDocs, and then you want to name a folder Sky uh, Sky Tracy, because that's the name of our YouTube channel soon. That's what it'll be named. And then I've already got a file in there called index. If you haven't started your XAMPP, so you know how to find it, XAMPP, start it so that you can browse. And if you need to, click admin, wait for it to load. Loaded 3 that time, sorry about that. It'll give you the local host so you don't have to type it out. And Sky True Racy, and hang on a minute, Sky Tracy, Tracy, there we go. And because the first file is called index, you don't have to, because the first file is called index, you don't have to put the index in the search bar here, okay? But it would look something like this. Index PHP, and we're still working on the index page then. Alrighto. To create some bold template code, some HTML, exclamation mark, so shift 1 tab. Right, now I'm gonna name this Sky Tracy. I think it's actually Terra Sky Tracy with a null ball. Now we'll just put hello world, and then we will have some PHP in this, so PHP, question mark, close it. Just anchor that down for a couple steps, and I'll also push the arrow keys to navigate it. Hello world. So first thing we want to do is we want to get rid of the hello world, and we want to write a div. So .div div dot header, actually it's curly brackets. What was it? Yeah, it was anchor tabs, sorry. Dot logo, just need the dot header, dot logo, another one of these tabs, sorry, logo, one of these, URL, another one of these, li times 6 and enter. Now we've got all our links in one spot. So first one's going to be home. My thing's doing that again. Give us a sec. Sometimes VS Code delete things as you type them. So you got to close out of your VS Code and open it up again. Right. So we got one list. Now we're going to put view name programs li there's a small trick you can do. You can doing it again out of that. It's doing it to me. I've got a problem with my I must push something on the keyboard. Every time I push something on the keyboard, it makes the thing type backwards, which causes it to start deleting things as you're typing. Contact, if that's how you spell contact. Save for the logo. We'll put Sarah by Tracy, and we'll put that in a spam. Algorithm, so we can style it. You could just go okay. Form. I keep spelling form incorrectly. What from? I'm a bit dyslexic, so in the center, so it looks pretty. And sorry, I forgot the equals. Index. PHP. Method. Post. We don't need capitals for this one. It's not capital sensitive. Label. Username. Input tag. User name. Name. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. Had to do this in more than one. More than one. Yeah, we're just adding the password. Set this import by password and name equals password. Here we go. And then we'll just put a bar. Input. No capitals. Input. Submit. Name. Your name. Submit. There we go. We got the form done. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go. Okay. Closing brackets. Now, these got to be in capital. So when you type it, just hold on to shift. User name. And save. We probably don't need. We don't need quotation marks. Save this and rerun it. So when we type in username, here it is. If is set, someone just hold shift when you type post in. That way you don't have to go. And you're already on shift when you put this. Sorry. Yeah, never mind. Just hold shift until you put the tags in. You don't have to put shift for them. Submit. Now we can do another if statement inside our old if. And we write empty user name. Oops, sorry. I'm going to sleep here. Post username and echo oi need enter a username and another exclamation mark on the end there. Oh, what have we done wrong? Oh, we've got to put the brackets in. There we go. So, if we're trying to submit it, it'll tell us, oh, wait, so need to do another one for email. If we push this page, we might want a line break. It's doing it again. I don't know what it is with this software. I think I push a key and then it activates it. And I don't know what key it is. But I just gotta close out of it every time so I can continue writing. Okay, we'll change this one. Email and if empty, just hold shift when you do this. That way you don't have to yep. And press that. I would need to put a line break in. Righto. There's some code that I have. Probably best to so we'll quickly go there. Email validation. We'll just open this with Notepad. We'll have a bit of a read with it. In the action, it's this. To take out action, post that line of code, and copy. I'll put a line break after password. and we'll just make some new spacing here, add that, save. Now, alrighty guys, I'm back. So what we've got is this must only accept BigPond at Gmail or whatnot. So we wrote some messages that took you to a die message if the usernames are not filled in. So we'll go up here and we'll put required, and here too, required. And for a sign up page, we want another label, so we'll just call this repeat password, and then we'll close this and we'll add this one, and no, sorry, import, but submit, no, sorry, what am I doing? Password and name rept/password. I think that'll do us. And we'll put required here. We'll put a bar there. And we'll scroll down to the if statement. And copy. Doing it again, I think. Paste. Repeat. Repeat. So now, when we fill in email field, username, and scroll up. What do we do? Password to make that do that. Oh, we put too many S's in the password. That's all good. Submit. And have to make a new file. No. New page to PHP. Boilerplate template code. We'll just put H1. You're logged in. And just there we go. Probably want to put If we put something that's not an email in, well, this should not be coming up. Oh, hang on. It's missing there. So why is this not taking us to another page? Now we want to move all our error messages. Yeah, yeah, all good. So we don't want this anymore. Now we can get rid of that one. Now we scroll up and we add a style sheet. Link real folder. In, so we want body color gray. And we want header B pixels. Brand color. List. Actually, flex direction. Uh, none. File. List style none. But and Alrighty guys, welcome back. So we're just writing a quick style sheet for this one line of spreadsheets. So style sheet, style sheets, main.cs. So what's going on with our style sheet? I'm problem solving now. Okay, all this should work. We've got a bug here somewhere. I think it might be this one. Nope, that's correct. Well, that should turn the background grey. So I have to pause the video until I can work it out. Sorry guys. All I did wrong is I forgot to save the index file to allow for the new link for the style sheet. So now I can put all the styles back and I can run this and all links have gone right way. So probably change this to 50 pixels and see what happens. There are all our links. So we want logo dash spam. Okay. And there we go. Oh, we don't need the column. Let's have a look. Yeah, spam. So we should be able to save that. We'll just use spam. No, then now spam's even gone wrong. SPAM. That should be working now. We'll just get rid of spam. Just trying to do this quickly because I'm doing a video. So we'll just go and we'll put in here color, right, and we'll reload it. There's our logo. Adding 10 pixels. There we go. Margin left 10 pixels. That should give us the spacing that we need. And margin of 0. There we go. We got all that right. We just want its our links in top, goes down at noise. There we go. Stand. 16. It's doing it again. I'll edit this out of the video. Maybe not. 1. Zero. Let's just move logo, margin, and pixels. Adding. There we go. Just need the text to this one pixel. And in there. In. It's working now. 20. 30. 30. 28. Just keep doing this until we get the right size. 45. There we go. It's all on one line. There's your links. So that's all we're doing for now. So a simple login system. What happens if we don't put an email address in, which isn't Gmail, BigPond, or Outlook? There's some problem with the new code. It's not doing the request properly. It should be taking you to another page with that message on it. Alright, welcome back. So, our little bit of code that we got here is not working properly. So we're just gonna reopen VS Code, and we're gonna open a folder. We go to our C drive, XAMPP, HDDocs, email verification, select. So this one, localhost, email verification.php. So when we don't put a proper email in, this message should be coming up. So now we've opened it, only one thing to do, open the thing. Okay. I worked out our problem. If it's going to go in the code at all, got to be at the top of the page so it runs first for the script. So yeah. See. Now, continue. I submit that. Email is only accepted. Now, I put an email in that is accepted. And test this out. Is accepted. I think I know what our problem is. Go back to our... Oh, I've got to open it again. My bad. Got the code from Copilot. And our big sponsor to our video today is Copilot. For Windows 10. Or Windows 11, sorry. If you're interested in a Windows 11 computer, I'll show you Copilot in a minute. HDDocs, email validation, select one of our so it is and we reload the page, shouldn't be there. Let's get rid of required on this one and save it, reload it. Shouldn't be doing that. Oh well. Put the email in. There we go. But basically, got this information from Copilot. So Copilot comes with Windows. Here's Copilot. And how to make email only allow Gmail, Hotmail, Big Pond, Outlook, PHP. I'll show you what Copilot does. It printed out our code. So let's just copy this and head over to our website that we're working on. Paste it in there, save it, and try and run it. So it's not there anymore. If I try and put something that's not Gmail, okay, we've got to read gmail.com. Yeah, so we're going to change this. Now, if you put an email that's not Gmail in, put an email that's Gmail in, is allowed. Oh well, that's how you use Copilot. They could do it a little bit better. They have done before. The rest of the code I did have is in here. So if I try and submit an email that's not correct, it will tell me. And if I put a username in now, submit, it still won't accept unless I put the U in. Keep on spell with the U, put it in the comments. Like and subscribe my video. It takes a lot to make these videos. And not a lot of subscribers or viewers yet. Please subscribe.